This is John from Clean Codecast, and welcome to my YouTube tutorials. In this video, we will be installing the JDK Java Development Kit and using Homebrew to install SBT and Gradle for our Scala/Kotlin courses either coming in the future or are already here. If you do not have Homebrew installed, you can follow the link in my description to one of my other videos on installing Homebrew for macOS. Let's get started. Browser and navigate to oracle.com. Click on the hamburger icon located to the left. In the drop-down, click on the Downloads link. Scroll down a little bit and click on the Java link next. Now you can go ahead and click the Java JDK for Developers link. On this page, click the image that is Java and underneath JDK version 13. You'll land on the Java SE Development Kit 13 download page. Navigate to the bottom of the page, accept the license agreement if you want, and click the link for downloading the macOS DMG file. Once the file has completed its download, open the file up where you downloaded it to. When the window opens, double-click the JDK 13 PKG file. Now you can continue through the installation process. Now that has finished, switch over to your terminal so we can install SBT and or Gradle as well. Start by typing in brew install SBT space Gradle. This will take a few minutes. To verify that worked, you can now type SBT --version. Now you can test Gradle by typing in Gradle --version. For both of those commands, you should have seen the version number printed out. That is going to wrap up this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the subscribe button down below, and again, this is John from Clean Codecast, signing off.